Hey there, welcome back to Tony's Auto Works and Off-Road. Today we're working on this 2000 Jeep Cherokee. We're going to be installing some LED lights on the interior and on the exterior. It's a kit from Precision LED. I got the premium kit. There's two different kits. They're both great. I've used both. It's the best LEDs on the market. I wouldn't use anything else. You can follow along. I'm going to show you what tools I use and how I go about replacing these bulbs. So let's go ahead and get started. You're going to see here that the kit comes with courtesy lights, comes with map lights, comes with trunk lights, comes with dome lights, comes with well, the interior kit doesn't come with license plate lights. This will be a separate purchase, and so will the reverse lights. And then in the package you'll get a set of tools. So after installation of the lights that I could get in, it turns out that I do not have map or courtesy lights on this specific Cherokee. I do believe I had courtesy lights underneath the dash on my last Cherokee that I built. This one does not have it. I was able to replace the dome lights. I was able to replace, obviously, the reverse lights and the license plate light. And the kit comes with two license plate lights. However, this specific one only had one bulb. Thanks for watching.